Welcome aboard.
Hi.
Hi.
There you go.
All right, aloha everyone. My name is Nils. I am here from Utah visiting. I'm just kidding. I live here, right? But did everyone get a safety briefing?
Yes.
Any questions about that before we take off? No. All right, very good. If you do have any questions, always feel free to ask me, or you can look at the safety briefing cards, see back pockets, or over in your door there. That's also where we will find the aloha bags. In case you have to say aloha to your breakfast, just make sure you know where a bag is, so you can chat with that one about. Other than that, I'm going to be talking about time, my dispatch here, and then on with air traffic control on our way up to Haleakala. So for about 5 minutes, I'm going to be on a different frequency. But feel free to talk amongst yourselves and just sit back, enjoy the takeoff, and I'll talk to you up in the air.
Great, thank you.
All right, very good.
Everybody down, so don't worry. Don't worry, be happy now. Don't worry, be happy. Don't worry, be happy. Don't worry, be happy. Don't worry, be happy. Now there, I wrote. I hope you learned it note for note like good little children. Don't worry. Be happy. Listen to what I say. In your life, expect some trouble. When you worry, you make it double. But don't worry. Be happy. Be happy now.
All right, taking off now.
Don't worry.
We do have the camera pointed on the inside, but once we take off, I'll flip it to the outside. I'll be recording our flight for us.
Be happy. Don't worry. Be happy. Don't worry, be happy. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't do it. Be happy. Put a smile on your face. Don't bring everybody down like this. Don't worry. It will soon pass, whatever it is. Don't worry, be happy. I'm not worried.
What's that sound? Everybody look what's going down.
Nobody's right if everybody's wrong. Young people speaking their mind. I've seen so much resistance
From behind. Stop! What's that sound? Everybody look what's going down.
What a view they thought of you. Loud and real in the street. Singing songs and they carry inside. Pray for our side.
Stop! What's that sound? Everybody look what's going down.
Alright, just got released from air traffic control. We're cruising past 4,000 feet right now on our way up to 10,000 feet. That way we'll be able to cross over the southwest rift zone, over to the backside of the Haleakala volcano and check it out on the crater up there. We'll end up to 10,000.
The man come.
Seems like we're going kind of slow right now, but we're actually cruising at about 105 miles per hour right now, so
Stop!
still faster than your average car, especially on the island.
What's that sound?
Off to your right is Kihei, the town of Kihei, and then Wailea, a little bit farther down, where the resorts are. Then across over there, that island out there is Kaho'olawe, and the teeny little one in between us and Kaho'olawe is the Molokini Crater, which is a great place to go snorkeling. Take a boat out there.
All around the world, statues crumble for me. Who knows how long I've loved you? Everywhere I go, people stop and they say, 25 years old, my mother, God rest her soul. I just wanna fly. Put your arms around me, baby. Put your arms around me, baby. I just wanna fly. Put your arms around me, baby. Put your arms around me, baby. Yeah.
This is the Southwest Rift, which is just a big lava tube that's underneath the ground there that runs all along out all the way to the shoreline. So when there's volcanic activity, it generally will go along a rift zone. Doesn't have to, but it usually does. That's the path of least resistance. And then it'll find a weak spot and shoot out the top, and that's what that's how it creates these hills on top. This is, they're all eruption sites. Up ahead of us, you see the Big Island. That's the snow-capped one is Mauna Kea, and then the next bigger one over to the right is Mauna Loa. And you see the one in front of Mauna Kea, that's Kohala. There's one to the right of Mauna Loa, that's Hualalai. And then the most active volcano is over to the other side of Mauna Kea, that's the Kilauea volcano.
Rise and shine, it's the start of a brand new day. Look around, you're in beautiful Hawaii. Oh, soak it in, there is no place like it in the world. Oh yeah, heart of the ocean, my home is the precious pearl. My beautiful Hawaii. Find another paradise like I'm blessed to live here in Hawaii, where the living up the sweetest life. Oh yeah, my beautiful Hawaii, my beautiful Hawaii.
This is Science City off to the left. All those observatories and antennas. They're used by the Smithsonian, University of Hawaii, Federal Aviation Administration, Department of Defense, United States Air Force. In fact, the United States Air Force has an observatory up there that is used to track every bit of man-made waste that has been dumped out in space. There's over 8,000 pieces of trash from that astronauts and whatnot have dumped out, and the United States Air Force keeps track of every single one of them.
We came up here yesterday.
Oh, did you?
to watch the sunrise.
Oh, nice.
Beautiful.
And then the Big White Observatory, that's the newest one. It just opened up this year, so last month. And it's a solar observatory, so it takes pictures of the sun and has published the most detailed and clearest images of the sun that we have to date.
All the way to Nanakuli, collaboration and holding the vibe, spreading aloha to unify. Sweet island music on this tropical scene, loving everything in between. Taking care of each other, that's how it's supposed to be, no matter side. We are all family. My beautiful Hawaii. You'll never find another paradise like mine. I'm blessed to live here.